Everyone wants high-paying clients, but the secret isn't luck, it's leverage. The right tools don't just make your work faster, they make your brand believable. In a world flooded with freelancers, the creatives who scale are the ones who look organized, sound confident, and deliver with precision. These 5 tools turn skill into structure and structure into serious income. Today we're breaking down 5 systems that can transform the way that you brand, pitch, and get paid. Today we're diving into how you can land $10,000 clients using the right branding tools. This isn't just about pretty logos, it's about systems that elevate your value, your speed, and how clients perceive your worth. Whether you're a designer, strategist, or an agency owner, these 5 tools can help you look, act, and deliver like a $10,000 brand partner. Remember, tools don't replace skills, they amplify it. Tool number 1 is going to be your foundation, your brand kit generator. Meet Looka, an AI-powered platform that helps you build a full visual identity with logos, palettes, and marketing assets in minutes. Looka combines design automation with strategy, so you enter your company name, your industry, colors, and your style, and its AI engine generates hundreds of logos instantly. Then you refine typefaces, spacing, and layout until you hit "this is it" moment. From there, a complete brand kit awaits with over 300 templates for business cards, emails, invoices, and even social posts. Here's why it matters for $10,000 clients. Premium brands expect a full ecosystem, not just a logo. According to 2025 data, AI design tools like Looka cut branding time by 40% and boost productivity by 50%. That means that you can deliver a complete identity in days instead of weeks and bundle that speed into a high-value offer. Position it like this: we'll build your entire brand system, logo, palette, templates, and launch assets in 1 week, and that turns a $3,000 logo into a $10,000 brand package. Because big clients buy confidence, not colors. So delivering a systematized brand kit turns design into business infrastructure. Tool number 2 is your creative workhorse. It's Canva Pro. It lets you produce on-brand visuals that look agency-grade without needing a team of designers. With AI features like magic resize, instant background removal, and a library of millions of templates, Canva Pro makes content creation fast and consistent. You can build multiple brand kits, including logos, fonts, colors, so every post and proposal stays cohesive. Research shows that it takes 10 seconds for someone to form a first impression of a brand, so consistency makes that impression count. For freelancers and SMBs, Canva Pro is a $15 a month investment that adds thousands in perceived value. It gives you speed, organization, and branding discipline that enterprise clients expect. When pitching, say, "We'll design your brand kit and content templates in Canva so your team can keep publishing on brand without breaking consistency." That alone positions you as a strategic partner. Consistency isn't creativity's enemy, it's its engine. The brands that look aligned get trusted faster, and trusted brands close bigger deals. Tool number 3 takes Canva's idea and levels it up for pros. It's Adobe Express. It's your creative workshop in the cloud for branded graphics, videos, flyers, and PDFs. With drag and drop simplicity and AI quick actions powered by Adobe Firefly, you can generate text, images, and layouts instantly. It connects to Adobe Creative Cloud, meaning that you can move from Photoshop to Express all the way to presentation without losing fidelity. For teams, it offers brand kits, locked templates, and admin controls, which is a must for a $10,000 level client with multiple stakeholders. The premium plan, which is $99 a year, and the teams plan, which is about $49 per seat, enable real-time co-editing, approvals, and shared libraries. For agencies and creative teams, it keeps everyone on brand and on schedule. Pitch it like this: we'll set up your Adobe Express workspace with branded templates, AI tools, and team access, so your content creation is as seamless as your strategy. That language sells process, not pixels. When you combine AI speed with creative control, you become the brand's growth engine. Clients don't just pay for design, they pay for momentum. Tool number 4 dives into creativity's core, color. Khroma is an AI palette generator that learns your taste and builds harmonies for you. You train Khroma by selecting 50 colors you love. It then learns your aesthetic DNA and spins out unlimited palettes tailored to your style. You can then preview those palettes in mockups, in posters, and in UI layouts to see how they behave in real contexts. It's free and fast, a perfect tool for brand builders who need fresh color direction without guesswork. For small agencies and founders, it's like having a personal color strategist. In your pitch, say this: we use AI-powered palette tools to build color systems that match emotion with identity, that add psychology to your creative process and makes your deliverable sound strategic, not subjective. Color is currency for emotion. The brands that own a palette own a feeling, and that feeling sells. Tool number 5 is where you turn branding into infrastructure. Frontify is a brand management hub used by agencies and enterprises to govern how brands live and evolve. Think of Frontify as a digital headquarters for your brand. Guidelines, assets, templates, everything stored in one place so teams stay aligned globally. Think of Frontify as a digital headquarters for your brand. Guidelines, assets, templates, everything in one place so teams can stay aligned globally. No more hunting for final_v2 files. Every asset is up to date and locked for consistency. For a $10,000 client, organization is everything. So they expect structure, not chaos. With Frontify, you create living brand guides that scale as they grow. It's built for mid-sized to enterprise teams and perfect for agencies managing multiple brands. When pitching, say this: we'll set up your brand management portal so your team can access templates and assets in one single place. That line alone elevates you from designer to brand architect. Professional structure is the new luxury. Frontify turns creative work into a sustainable system, and systems command premium prices. So how does this stack up to a $10,000 brand package? Let's run the math. Each tool represents a pillar of your offer. Looka is identity foundation. Canva Pro is the visual content at scale. Adobe Express is your production and workflow. Khroma is emotional design direction. And Frontify is your brand governance and longevity. Together, they build a stack that turns creative skill into structure and structure into revenue. Let's look at the timeline. 6 to 8 weeks from strategy to launch with a 90-day brand check-in. That's not a random number. It's a structured value stack that shows clients exactly what they are paying for. So there you have it. 5 branding tools that can help you land $10,000 clients. Looka, Canva Pro, Adobe Express, Khroma, and Frontify. Use them to level up how you look, how you work, and how you charge. Because when your process looks premium, your price becomes justified. Remember, what you deliver matters, but how you deliver it decides your value. If this helped you, hit that like button, maybe subscribe, and comment which tool you'll try first or what your biggest challenge is in pitching high-ticket clients. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.